Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new channel in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the contacts list. From here it's just going to channels in the bottom. And then we tap on the plus icon in the bottom. And then on create a new channel, like this. Here we can set the channel name, the channel type, whether it requires a password. Here we have some more settings that we can do. We can also add the picture, and then we can just tap on create to create the channel. Let's name it work 1 and done. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.